Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you ready to feel like the god of thunder and the defender of humanity as you do household maintenance? Then you're going to love this 28-piece Thor hammer toolbox. Going beyond its charm, it is a very handy toolkit. It has replaced my personal household toolbox, not just because of the fun level, but also because it comes with so many different tools and also because of the quality of these tools. Now, I gotta be honest, when this first arrived, I thought it was just for looks and that these tools would be low quality and not able to hold up to the tasks that I had in my husband's to-do list. But I was wrong. My husband and I were both very impressed by the quality of this toolkit. We have fixed chairs, put together furniture, and we're in the process of redecorating our kitchen, and the only toolbox that we have used is our Thor toolbox. I love that the screwdriver bits are labeled, the hammer is strong and heavy, the utility knife is extra sharp, and all of the tools that we've used, including my husband's favorite, the bottle opener, have withstood all of the abuse of redecorating and household maintenance. I love all of the little details of this toolbox. It comes with a leather strap and an easy grip handle for portability. It closes up nice and secure so you won't have to worry about it opening suddenly and all of your tools falling out, and it snaps together very easily and everything stays in its proper place, which makes this toolbox fun and easy to take on the go. I just can't say enough about how much I love this Thor hammer toolbox. I want to get one for all of my family and friends, and I think that you're going to love it also. And that's my point of view.